Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. Today was the weekly expiry, and unlike normal expiry, today's expiry is more of trending down. It normally doesn't happen like that. Normally, put writers as well as call writers get a chance to take the market up and down and erode the option premiums. Whereas today, Nifty started going down, down and down, and put writers were to a large extent decimated, should I say. So, of course, thanks to Adani Enterprises and Reliance having gone down by 2.5% is not something happy ending for Reliance. So it is in a way unique, or it's a rare kind of expiry, but then expiry was negative, and after 4 days of net buying in cash segment, FIS were net sellers once again, whether it is due to weekly expiry or just one-off thing, or their game plan is not known. So today was a little more confusing than normal expiry. So we need to be extra careful tomorrow. So have a look at it. The things you need to depend a little more on levels and indicators tomorrow. Be careful, be cautious, because the second day Nifty has refused to go above 17,800. Nifty has refused to go above and sustain above 17,800, which is a very, very important thing for bulls. So that has not happened. So we need to wait and see what happens tomorrow and henceforth. So let us look at the indicators. These are the important indicators of Nifty 50 index for past 1 month. See, last 3 days slowly the greenish tinge was coming, but today once again reddishness has crept in. This is Bank Nifty, ditto, the reddish is introduced. So that is not something to be happy about for bulls. So be careful. These are the levels for tomorrow. We need to have these levels ready with us. We need to be extra cautious for tomorrow. We need to be more careful with such a thing, because normally expiry date does not keep trending one way, especially down. Today it was trending down, so we need to be extra careful. Market could be moving down from here. We don't know whether it is just a one-off or whether it's a trend setter. We don't know. Let us wait and see. But then you take care of yourself, take care of the trading, use these levels well. This is the first page of levels. This is the second page of Nifty 50 stocks levels. This is the third page, and this is the last page of Nifty 50 stocks levels for tomorrow. And of course, this is FIS and DIS positions in cash segment as of today. So we need to be extra careful tomorrow. I am warning you to be extra careful. Trade only after getting proper signals from levels and indicators. Take care. Before my going, let me remind you once again, please do not forget to watch our video, subscribe, share, and like our video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.